how you doing? Today we're gonna have something special. Artichokes. Artichokes is not easy to find it. They're expensive and it's not easy to make it. So I'm gonna clean one and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. The food call it Agginares alla polita. Artichoke alla polita. It's artichokes, potatoes, carrots and sweet peas. It's very tasty and it's very healthy. It's good for vegans if they don't want to eat the egg lemon sauce, because we do egg lemon sauce. They can make it with fresh tomatoes or it's the same. The taste is the same. So we can start now and I'll show you how to clean the artichoke. After you cover with the lemon so it's not gonna get brown, we'll put it in the water. So like the other ones. Okay? We're gonna peel 3 potatoes, 3 small ones, not big ones. And then we're gonna pick 1 onion. And then the fresh scallions, 5 of them, it's okay, it's enough. So I'm gonna start cutting now. We're gonna use some fresh dill. At the pot I put fresh scallions and the dill. Now I'm gonna shred the dry onion in there. Okay. So the dry onion is in there too. And we're gonna put some oil to saute. And I put it on high so I can saute. I got a cup of olive oil. When this is saute, we're gonna drain the artichokes and the potatoes. ready, I'm gonna put it in there. And then I'm gonna put some baby carrots in there. About a quarter of the bag, it's 1 pound I think. And then we're gonna use the baby sweet peas, frozen. You never put the spoon in there. You just do it like that. You don't want to break the food. So it's the only way. And you put it on medium. And you wait a little bit. So it's a saute everything. Tablespoon of salt. A little bit more, because it wasn't a tablespoon. Okay, this is a little bit under that. And then pepper. And then I'm gonna put the water, one glass of water, okay? And you leave it to boil. Okay guys, I left the food for an hour to cook after I covered it, and I took it off. Now it's ready, if you can see it, with the juices and everything. And now we're gonna do the avgolemono sauce. Okay, we're gonna cut the lemon. Now we're gonna put some juice from the food. Because the one is hot and the other is cold. So I wanna mix it together and we're ready to put it in there. Okay guys, now I'm ready to serve. You gotta be careful how you're gonna serve, okay? You don't wanna destroy the food. See, one by one. That was the recipe for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna enjoy it too because I love that food. It's so healthy and it's so tasty. Subscribe please, and I'll see you next time, okay?